I'm hemming these gauntlets at the moment. There we go. You can see a fairly rudimentary hem on there to protect the wearer. And it occurred to me that something I was taught, which seems to me now blindingly obvious, might not be that obvious to a few of us. It had to be taught to me. So what I'm doing is I'm putting these notches in, and they're going to be filed over later and turned into these slightly nicer hemming that you can just about see on there. What you want to do is you want to keep the cut of the file uniform. So start your filing and count how many strokes of the file you do, and in this case it's about 20. And when you do the next one, you know that the depth of your cuts with these files will more or less always be the same. So there you go, a handy little tip to get started with your filing. Whatever you're doing, just count it in and count it out.